Good morning students, welcome back. I hope you must have read out what we have learned in our first session. So what we have learned, let's revise. This poor champ Nandu get up, and when he get up, he saw a big grey trunk around him. So that big tree trunk was nothing but it was the legs of his cousins and family members. So we have seen the bonding between our family members and Nandu's family members bonding, right? So then afterwards his grandma, the oldest person, started to walk towards the jungle, and all rest female elephants started to follow her, and they just walked behind her towards the jungle. And when they reached jungle, they started to eat their favorite food, right? Someone started to eat leaves, someone started to eat branches, and someone started to eat fruits also. So the climatic conditions in the forest are favorable for the animals to live. That's why this elephant live in a jungle. Even we have seen elephant is a mammal and it is a huge animal, right? So we have seen the bonding of his family members, like if granny started to walk, all the female elephants started to follow her. In the same way, in our family also, your mama, your daddy, everyone listens to your elders in the family members. Even you too listen to your mama and daddy, isn't it? Now, let's see what Nandu wanted to share with you in this next session. Okay, now see, after they had eaten, the herd moved towards the river. Okay, when their tummy is full, that means when they have their food properly, they started to walk towards the river. Herd means the entire group of elephants started to walk towards the river. The baby elephant enjoyed playing in the water. The mothers lay down in the water and mud on the river bank. Okay, so you can see here, after eating, they just wanted to take a bath. These all family members went to the riverside where they drink water, and even some small cousins of Nandu started to play in the water. The mother lay down in the water and started to play in the water. So you can see how they are drinking the water in the pig, right? Even you can see this slide how they are drinking the water. So after, when their tummy is full, tummy means when they eat grass, they started to walk towards the river. They started to drink water over there, isn't it? Now elephants love to play with mud and water. You can see this picture where you can see elephants are playing in the mud. Along with this pre-recorded class, I am going to share one video where you can enjoy elephant playing in the water. Okay, so elephant love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their body or skin cool, isn't it? You have seen many a times these elephants are totally filled with this mud. Okay, so why they are playing in the mud, or why they just apply that mud on their body? Because mud keeps their body cool. Their big ears also work like fans. If you see their ears, they are like a fan, right? The elephants flap these to keep themselves cool. When they flap this means when they take behind and front, they get air. So this ear helps them to keep themselves cool. Okay, see what we have learned here. Elephants love to play with mud and water. The mud keeps their body cool. Their big ears also work like a fan. These elephants flap this to keep themselves cool. Okay, now what we have seen in the last slide, like elephants are herbivorous. Herbivorous means they only like to eat plants, leaves, twigs, right? They do not chew curd, ruminate as a ruminant animal. Example, cattle, goat and deer. Means they do not sit and ruminate. Ruminate means, if you have seen some animals like cow, buffalo, they eat their food, and when they sit idle, means when they are not doing anything, they bring that food in back in the mouth, and they started to ruminate, means all the time they are chewing their food. Okay, but these elephants are not doing like this. They do not ruminate, means once they have taken their food, that food goes to their mouth. They are not bringing that food back to in their mouth and they are eating. Okay, instead they produce methane gas. See, they are eating too much, right? So they produce a lot of gas. So that gas is called as methane gas. Okay, so let's read one more time. Elephants are herbivorous. They do not chew cud, ruminate as ruminant animals. Example, cattle, goat, deer do. Instead, they produce methane gas, lots and lots of gas. Okay. Elephants may feed for up to 16 hours a day. You can just imagine. They are just simply eating, and all the time they are busy in eating. But in my last session I have told you only 44% of food is digested among this whole entire day what they eat. Okay, in a zoo a typical adult elephant may eat 4 to 5 to 8 kilograms of grains a day. You can see 4.5 to 8 kilograms of a grain in a day these elephants can eat in a zoo. This amounts to a yearly quantity of more than 29,000 kg of hay. See, if we calculate this, so how much is the quantity? Means yearly quantity, yearly means full year, how much that elephant eat? It eats nearly about 29,000 kg. Kg means kilograms. Okay, see how much they eat. Because they have the huge body, that's why they need to eat a lot. Okay, a normal daily water consumption is 100 to 200 liters. Means they drink 100 to 200 liters of water daily, means every day. If an elephant weighs 4,500 kg, then that elephant's heart may weigh 27 kg. Oh my god, it's a weight of one person of our school, right? One small child of our school. Even some students from your class also may have 27 kg of weight, right? So just see, if an elephant weight 4,500 kg, then that elephant's heart may weight 27 kg, means its heart's weight is 27 kg. Okay, now, so why these elephants want to play in mud? We have seen. So elephant skin lack moisture, so it must be loose. You have seen elephant skin, right? How elephant skin is, it is like they have wrinkled on their skin. So why do they have wrinkle on the skin? Because they are lack of moisture. Moisture means the oil in the skin is very less, that's why their skin is loose. And near if you see their joints, joints means where they have joints, like near the legs, near the what we call face and all, so their skin is loose over there. Why? Because they are lack of this moisture. Okay, now see the next slide. Now you have to find out, this activity is there in your textbook. Nandu is only 3 months old, but he weighs 200 kilograms. What is the weight of Nandu? Nandu is hardly 3 months old baby, but his weight is 200 kilograms. So what is your weight? So what is your weight, they have asked you, and you have to write it down over there. Can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? Yes, in our last slide we have discussed that if the weight of elephant is 4,500 kilograms, then his heart's weight will be 27 kg, means kilograms, right? So what they wanted to ask you here, can you find out the weight of how many children like you will add up to Nandu's weight? If we take Nandu is of 200 kilograms, okay, so how many children we need to take? That means you will reach to Nandu's weight. Find out the answer and write down in the textbook. When I will come to your live class, that time we will discuss this answer. Okay, now just see. You can see how nicely these elephants are playing in water. They just love to play in mud and water. Okay, and they just have lot of fun, and water keeps their body cool. And even we have discussed that they like to play in mud because mud keeps their body cool. Okay, so Nandu saw his friends and sisters pulling each other's tail. So after drinking water, Nandu was standing near the riverside. What he has seen there, his cousins started to play in the water, pulling each other's tail. He thought, I better not to go near them. He thought he was small, like 3 months baby he is. So what he has decided not to go near his cousins. So what if they fall on me? What he was thinking, what will happen if my cousins fall on my body? Oh my God, what will happen to me? So it will be better that I will not go near my cousins. So so he is thinking that he is still small, so he is not ready to go in the water to play with his cousins because he is scared of. Why he is scared of? He thought that if his cousins came and fall on his body, he will be like injured. So he quietly went and stood near his mother. So slowly he went to his mother and stand near his mother. So Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water. What did his mama do? She pushed Nandu in the water, and as if she was telling him to go and play. So mama is teaching him how to play in water. So what did mama do? What did Amma do? She pushed Nandu in the water and suggested him to go to play in the water. Nandu loved to play in water. Finally, he went in the water. He loved to play in the water. His cousins were already there. Yes, his cousins were already playing in the water. So he also went and joined them. Just as he reached near, the strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousins. Nandu joined them in the game. See, after eating food, they came to riverside, they drank water. He was very much scared to go in the water, but then his mama pushed him. So finally, he was scared in the he was scared to go in the water, but finally he decided to go in the water, and he loved to play in water. His cousins started to pour water on him, and he joined his cousins and started to play in water, started to enjoying the game. Okay, now let's see what next he wanted to tell you. Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. Means like it was in the evening time, so all the herds, their granny told them, now let's go back home. So all the herds started to come back to the jungle. So they started to move towards the jungle. By then Nandu was very tired. This poor 3 months old baby was very much tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs. See, I have shown the picture also. He settled them in mother's front legs, means he just see that he is comfortable in his mother's leg, and he fell asleep as he drank her milk. Okay, Nandu drank milk and he just went to sleep because entire full day walking, eating, playing in the water, and following mother's instruction and following all the female elephants in the herd. So he was tired. He is so small, so he cannot do all these things. So he was tired, he drank milk and he slept. So let's recap. Today we have learned more about the elephants. How do they love to play in water and in mud? We have seen Nandu was enjoying with his cousins in water, and even we have seen why the weight of elephant is so much. They are eating 12 to 18 hours a day, and only 44% of food is digested. So that's why they have so much of weight, as their body is too heavy, right? So elephant is called as a largest animal, so that's why they have a heavy weight. Thank you.